Let's get cooking.
Hi, welcome to Shane the Chef's Kitchen. I'm Amala.
And I'm Mali.
And today we are going to be making baked potatoes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let's get cooking!
Let's make bonfire baked potatoes. You will need 4 large potatoes and olive oil. Optional toppings, tuna sweet corn or cheese and beans.
First, let's get the potatoes ready for baking. Prick them with a fork, brush them with olive oil, then wrap them in tin foil.
Always be careful when pricking the potatoes with a fork, and always make sure there's an adult there to help you.
This is very hard, Mali.
I know. It's spraying potato all over me.
We should make a cologne called potato.
I think mine's done.
Lucky. How are you so fast? Phew, mine's done.
Use the brush to coat the potatoes in olive oil.
This should be fun.
So shiny.
I know. It's like a diamond. Your turn, Mali.
Thank you.
Then you're going to bat it up. Please try to do it neatly, not like me. Okay. Hold on.
Night, potato.
Don't you cry. Next, put the potato on the baking tray and pop it in the oven for 45 to 60 minutes. The oven needs to be 200 degrees Celsius.
Tuna and sweet corn. You will need 2 tins of tuna. Drain off the spring water. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And 1 tin of sweet corn.
I'm going to show you how to make a tuna sweet corn filling. First, mix a tin of tuna, a tin of sweet corn, and some mayonnaise.
That smells really good.
I know.
Do you like tuna mayonnaise?
I do. It's my favourite.
It's really good.
Sometimes I have it in sandwiches as well.
They're the best.
Do you think this needs anything else?
No, not really. It looks fine.
Cheese and beans. You will need 1 tin of baked beans. And grated hard cheese, as much as you like. Cheddar works well.
Today I'll be making a cheese and beans filling. First I'll start by grating the cheese.
Be careful of your fingers, Amala.
We do not want to go to A&E today. This is very hard.
Looks it.
Grate as much cheese as you think you'd like. The potatoes are ready, and so are the beans.
Next, make a cross in the top of your potato and squeeze them to open them.
Then you put the filling in.
What topping will you choose?
This looks delicious.
I can't wait to eat it.
Right, I'm going in.
I'm digging in.
These will be delicious on Bonfire Night.
It's really good.
This is so good. Tastes like heaven.
Are you gonna give these a try? Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.